Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Today we've got a great condo complex for you, so don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Yes, today we're going to share our 4 favorite things about Summit Beach Resort over here in Panama City Beach. Heather, what's number 1?
Oh my gosh, number 1 has got to be the Gulf access right here. Everything that you need.
Absolutely. They even have a handicap accessible beach walkover.
Yes.
Plenty of room to sprawl out. If you're not in the mood to jump in just yet, you have chair and umbrella rentals.
But wait, you also have jet skis right here. That's kind of my vibe.
Yeah, if you're feeling adventurous, you have the jet skis as well. And then number 2, I think would be the pool deck area.
Absolutely, there's so much here. Man, it's so hard to choose a favorite, but I love that there's a tiki bar. We're just overlooking the pools that are overlooking the Gulf. Like, how perfect is that?
Yes, 2 Gulf front pools. The adults can have a cocktail.
Yeah.
The kids can get a Hawaiian shaved ice if they get too hot. And you mentioned also earlier that off the pool deck area, you've got a fitness room,
A game room.
and a game room.
And there's a little sundry store if you forgot your flip-flops or you need extra sunscreen, or there's actually some small bits of snack food in there too. So this place has got everything right here for you.
I'm always forgetting my sunscreen, so definitely.
sunglasses.
Yes, definitely, and sunglasses. I lose those a lot. Definitely want to hit that up. And then number 3 for me, I think, is location. We're over here. Yes, we're over here on the east end of Panama City Beach, near Grand Lagoon. So many shopping and restaurant opportunities.
You can even walk to.
Yes.
You don't have to get in the car.
You could, you could leave the car at home.
Yes.
I love that there's a lot of locally owned restaurants all along Thomas Drive. You've got access to the parks. You've got quick access to Publix sports park, a skate park that's being built, and
Everything.
if you're not in the mood for a beach day, it's just a short drive over to historic St. Andrews and historic Panama City. Check out what they have to offer.
Absolutely. We're just so close. Everything is so centrally located right here. You can't get any better.
And number 4, one of our favorite reasons that we love the Summit, especially for our customers.
Yes.
What would that be?
That's going to be the rental income potential here.
Absolutely.
Right here on the sand. It's fantastic.
There's always something to do. And because of those popular amenities that Summit offers, the vacation rental projections here are very attractive. Definitely reach out to your real estate agent if you want to know about the income opportunities over here at the Summit.
You know what's a little bit sweet about this too, as we wrap this up, is this has been here, and so many people our age remember coming and vacationing here in Panama City Beach. It's iconic. It's been here for years, and it's well maintained and beautiful.
I may or may not have a few memories at the Tiki Bar. Don't tell my mom, okay? If you want to check out more about the Summit and all that it has to offer, Heather's gonna put some helpful links below, so make sure you check that out, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our Beach Show channel, thebeachshow.com.
Ring that bell.